Hello, hello. So today I'm making a simple Cajun breakfast called Couche Couche. So this breakfast takes simple ingredients such as cornmeal, baking powder, brown sugar, salt, water, and half and half. Couche couche in French means layered, and I'll be showing you that once I sit down to enjoy this simple meal. And last but not least, some melted butter. So, how are you doing? Are you taking time for yourself during this busy time of the year? I'm trying my best to do that. However, in the next week, my schedule is just lining up with several unexpected events. I am thankful, though, that I'm considered to be an attendee to these Christmas festivities. So what I'm doing here is I am pulling the crusty edges and the crust from the bottom to mix into this cornmeal breakfast dish. This is actually important to make it exactly the way it is intended to be. And now it cooks on low for about 15 minutes. And what happens, it becomes extremely tender and light as it works through this process. Bit of strawberry jam. And a little touch of sugar cane syrup. and so very, very tasty. Friend who is extremely busy this time of the year asked for my help to stuff some candy bags. So I'm starting the process. I have about 80 of these to do. And I probably won't get it done in one day, but at least I've started, right? I just couldn't resist one treat for me. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, evening, and I'll see you soon.